Hey, what's up guys? It's Bells and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what is in my school survival kit. Yes, look at it, it's beautiful. Today's video is just going to be diving into what is in this bag and what's helped me got through my freshman year so far, because I'm almost a sophomore, guys. I have like 4 more months of school and then I'm just gone. I'm done with it. Now, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So this is my little bag. It's just black, it has some writing on it. I think I bought it from Amazon for like, I want to say it was really inexpensive. I think it was like under $15, I think. Anyway, so this bag says, I like my eyelashes as black as my heart and as long as a list of the people I want to punch in the face, which honestly is my motto in life. So the first thing that I obviously have in here is just like a pad and a tampon, because you never know what can happen. Girls gotta be there for each other. The next thing I have is dry shampoo. I have the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. The next thing I have in here is just this little makeup sponge from Ulta. And it also goes along with the matte setting powder that I have in here. This is the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD Translucent Setting Powder. These two kind of go hand in hand because, again, you get a little greasy, your makeup gets messed up, you just put a little bit on the sponge, you dab it on, you wipe it away after a couple minutes, a light bake, and you're back to being matte and beautiful and gorgeous, The next thing I have in here is some lip balm. My extreme go-to is the Kopari Lip Love. That is my favorite. I already have one in my bag. I almost dropped this. I already have one in my bag, but just in my little survival kit, moment I have the Smith's Rosebud Salve Balm. I got it at Sephora, but I think you can also find it at like Ulta and places like that. It is really thick. Another thing I have in here is some hand sanitizer, because you never know what you're gonna touch or who you're gonna run into, or germs, and I'm not about to get sick again. So this is the Peach Bellini PocketBac from Bath & Body Works. I have too many hand sanitizers, and this is definitely one of the good smelling ones. And another thing I have in here is the Amazing Grace Philosophy perfume. It's a brand new one. I just got it yesterday. The mini one was only $20 and it has a lot of product in here, and the big one was like $40 and I was not about to get a big one. So I got a little mini one. It was $18. It was definitely worth my money because it's very, I don't know how to describe it. It's like not very strong in scent, but still gives you like a scent. You know what I mean? Yes. And I do not have it in here at the moment. I think I actually just dropped it in my locker. But I also do keep a toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash because, so that is all that's in my survival kit so far. I will definitely be doing this every year to update you what I'm going to need throughout different years. You know what I mean? Yes, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and click the big thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and comment down below anything you'd like to see on this channel or who you'd like to see on this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Join the best family on YouTube. Click the bell on my profile so you never ever miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.